Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials so nothing blocks you. Open the app, sign in, and verify email or complete 2FA. Once signed in, grant camera and storage permissions so uploads work. Next, add your payment method and basic profile details. These let you receive credits. While still onboarding, tap Upload to create your first submission and choose a content type. This immediate action validates permissions and reveals app features, so proceed without delay. Now you handle capture and metadata. You should frame with the grid and choose the 3:2 ratio for platform compatibility. Steady your device and use natural light. Once you capture, select the best shot, crop lightly, and add 5-10 relevant keywords so discoverability improves. Then enter precise location and category because search depends on accuracy. After that, pick the license or usage option and preview the submission. This reduces rejections and speeds approval. Finish by submitting and confirming the upload progress bar reaches 100% since partial transfers fail. You'll see a confirmation and a submission ID for tracking. Note it. Monitor the status in My Contributions and respond to reviewer feedback promptly. If your item is rejected, read the reason, correct metadata, or reshoot with clearer content, and then resubmit. One troubleshooting tip. If uploads stall, toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Force close the app and retry to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.